Never made bread before? This is the easiest recipe that you'll ever try. No fancy skills needed. All you need are a few simple ingredients that you probably already have in your pantry, like flour, sugar, yeast, salt, and water. Who doesn't have that in their pantry? Now, if you take a look at the dough, it's going to be sticky, but don't be alarmed. This bread is super fluffy, soft, and it is so delicious. And again, this is seriously the easiest bread that you'll ever try. This bread comes together quickly with about a 2-hour rise time. Give this one a try. I promise it's quick and easy and your family will love it. Comment below and let me know your favorite soup that you like to eat with homemade bread. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button below.